Good morning. We're taking a walk today, and now we're going to be looking for color combinations to help me figure out what colors I need to paint. So let's go. Come on, Dexter. Hey, you guys, check this out. Look at that color combination, that turquoise blue next to that brown. That is absolutely cool. Not only that, look over here. Look at that yellow and red combination next to the blue. I could use that in my paintings too. Look at the yellow against my purple shoe. Wouldn't that be a great combination? Okay, even trash can inspire us. Look at this yellow against that green. That's a delightful color combination.